Here's how to convert to MKV for free. And so MKV is like a video file type. So if you have other videos like MP4 that you're trying to convert to MKV, you can click and drag those MP4 into ConvertSave, which is a file converter that I created. You can find it for free with the link in the description down below. So ConvertSave is an image, audio, and video file converter. My brother developed this. I helped design it, and it actually works offline. So no more weird, sketchy websites. All you have to do, drag and drop video files in, find MKV, and then hit convert. And so it does a ton of different types of file conversions, and it does it on Mac and Windows. So depending on your operating system, it'll work for you. And it works offline. So you can literally turn the Wi-Fi off and it will still be able to convert files with the tools on your system. And so that is ConvertSave, and that's how you can convert to MKV for free. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. And if you just need it right now, click that link in the description, try it out for free. Maybe it's something you find is a nice utility to have, and maybe not, and that's fine. I appreciate the support anyway. I'll see you in the next one.